Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something that every English learner faces at some point, losing motivation. But don't worry, I'll give you simple, real, and powerful tips to help you stay motivated and reach fluency in English. 1. Know your why. Ask yourself, why do I want to speak English? Is it for your job, traveling, making international friends, watching movies without subtitles? Keep that reason in mind. Write it down. When you feel tired or stuck, remember your why. It will push you forward. 2. Set small goals. Fluency doesn't come overnight. Start with daily or weekly goals like learn 5 new words today, watch 1 video in English, practice speaking for 10 minutes, celebrate every small success. 3. Make English part of your daily life. Listen to English music, watch English movies or YouTube videos. Change your phone settings to English. Read short stories or posts online. The more you hear and see English, the more
it becomes natural. 4. Speak without fear. Don't wait to be perfect to speak. Practice with friends, online partners, or even by yourself in the mirror. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak more, fear less. 5. Track your progress. Keep a notebook or app to see how much you've improved. Record your voice now and compare in a few months. Seeing your growth is the best motivation. 6. Stay consistent. Even 15 minutes a day. You don't need 2 hours a day. 15 to 20 focused minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Learning English is like going to the gym. Small effort every day brings big results. 7. Join a community. Surround yourself with other learners. Join Facebook groups, English clubs, or online forums. Encourage each other, share tips, and stay connected.